So Jose says, question about the research document. Is the curiosity and corruption sections part of the mechanism? From a lot of sales letters I've broken down, I mainly see them as a proof element of the mechanism. And then I guess it can be spun into a lead or part of the discovery story on meeting some mystic person or doctor or whatever. So yeah, curiosity and corruption sections, part of the mechanism or something else?
Yeah, I mean, I generally use them to help find cool stuff with the mechanism, because if I'm finding some, if you find that, again, things used to always be one way and then they changed and now we've like forgotten about this way that was better, and that can be part of the mechanism of the problem, is like, that things changed or were corrupted, right? And then you would still allude to them in the lead and things like that. But yeah, actually, I mean, honestly, I just feel like Jose, his question was that, yes, basically that's the main reason for them, is to like help you with ideas for the mechanism, but then using them in other places, like you said. So I think you pretty much nailed it.
Awesome. Great.